Hello, my name is Ben Nathan and I'm the Chief Fund Manager within the Forex Mentor Fund Trader Academy. Now, there is a reason why our members are up by nearly 4% this month. It's plain and simple. Risk is tightly controlled, trading setups are of a high probability outcome, and we operate with positive risk-reward ratios. As we've said in the email that went out, there's a simple formula for absolute guaranteed long-term profitability. And that is, your wins must be bigger than losses, and your system use needs to win just half of the time. Okay, so you don't need to worry about losing streaks, etc., etc. The big picture is you just need to win half the time overall. So when this is constantly achieved, your profit stream is then also guaranteed. It's a simple proposition, but one that can be difficult to grasp. So in this week's video, I want to illustrate this in a very simple exercise that you can do at home at no cost. All you need is one piece of paper, a pen, and a coin. Okay, so hopefully you've got those together. So we're going to play a game of two halves. The instructions are: choose your side. Okay, so we want to choose either heads or tails. Now, the exercise is you need to stick to that chosen choice no matter what the outcome is. Okay, you need to stick to it and be consistent. Then what we're going to do, we're going to toss the coin 10 times. If the coin lands on the opposing side, then for each time that happens we take a £1 loss, hypothetically speaking of course. And every time the coin lands on your chosen side and you win the toss, take £2. Repeat this for 10 sets. So this is what your piece of paper should look like. So you can have toss 1 to 10 listed, and we're going to have 10 sets. Okay, so what we do, each time we toss the coin, if it lands on the chosen side, we put in plus £2. If it lands on the opposite side, it's minus £1. We're going to do this for 10 sets of 10 tosses. So pause the video while you do this. I'm going to do the same. And then once you're done and you've filled in your piece of paper and calculated the totals of each set and the grand total, then we'll come back on and we can have a look and review the lesson that teaches us. So pause the video and let's get started now. Okay, so you pause the video, you've tossed the coin for 10 sets of 10 tries, and you've got your outcome at the end. So the reason behind the exercise was, one, to show you how important consistency is, and to illustrate that, let's look at what happened. So for the first set for myself, I had losing streaks and I lost at the end of a set. Set number 2, I had more losing streaks and then lost again. And then set number 3 was profitable, all the way through to set 9 where we had a loss, and another profitable set 10. Now, the outcome was we were £38 up. Okay, so what's the lesson there? Because I can guarantee that you would have been up as well on that. You know, you can do this as many times as you like, use as many different coins as you like, but as long as you stick to your chosen side and you have that positive risk-reward ratio, okay, you will win in the long run. So the lesson here, in Forex and markets can ultimately go two ways, up or down. If your system has a consistent approach and is based on high probability, and what I mean by that, you know, it's going to go one way or the other, so you've got a 50-50 chance of winning, then there is one simple way to make sure you absolutely are guaranteed to make profit from that system. And that's simple, that's your risk-reward ratio. So if your wins are bigger than your losses, and you're winning at least half of the time, so out of 100 trades, you can take 50 losses, you're still guaranteed to be a profitable trader in the long run. So the fact is, you will take losses, but if you can remain consistent regardless of those losses, while exercising high probability trading and positive risk-reward ratios, you will beat the markets.